What's the meaning of Berkeley? Berkeley. Berkeley.
Berkeley. Berkeley. Berkeley is a city located on the east shore of San Francisco Bay in Northern California. It is known for being home to the University of California, Berkeley, one of the most prestigious public universities in the world. The name Berkeley is derived from the Anglo-Irish philosopher George Berkeley, who was influential in the development of British empiricism and the idealist philosophy that inspired the city's founders. Initially a farming community, Berkeley grew rapidly with the establishment of the university and has become a hub of intellectual and cultural activity. Today, it is known for its progressive politics, diverse population, and vibrant arts scene.